good evening and a very warm welcome to this brand new session of the Unit Test League. I can see Kalpana is all set for this session. Hey goalkeeper, Raghavan, Priya, Rohan, Prarabdh, Tejaswini, Sneha, Tanya, good evening all of you. Hey Somvi, Rosanna, Muskan, Sonali, Prasanna, Ashwini, Gobi, Nima. Welcome guys. Alright, so we have a unit test league for all of you that's going to go on for 3 weeks. This is the first week, this is the first day, and this is our very first session together. So we have loads of practice questions for you to ensure that your learning is on track, it's on point, and you're able to ace your exam. Hi Chatin, Shri Krishna, Somveer, Sharvari, Abhyuday. Good to have you guys. Yes, absolutely. Quickly tell your friends about this, that we are going to start with the unit test league. Very first unit test going to happen over here. The chapter you all know is chemical reactions and equations. And हम क्यों कर रहे हैं ये? Why are we doing this? Well, by the end of 3 weeks, your cumulative score, that means whatever you're performing right now will be added to your next test, that will be added to the next test, and by the end of 3 weeks, we'll have your cumulative score. Based on that, we'll be picking up the top performers and they will be getting the BYJU'S goodies for free. Good evening, Niva. करना क्या है आपको? जैसे नॉर्मल हम मेंटी करते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही चलेगा. Quickly go to menti.com, www.menti.com. Over there, they'll be asking you for a code. The code is 997818. Rohan is saying, ma'am, please give easy questions. Test में easy questions चाहिए. You will find a mix of questions. Easy भी हैं, difficult भी हैं. Questions where you have to apply knowledge. All kinds of questions are there. That's how we set a paper, right? Good evening, Apta, Raghavan. फटाफट से menti.com पे जाओ and use this code 997818 and then we'll get started with this unit test league. You've joined, great. Good to know that. अच्छा, easy questions के बारे में बात हो रही है. Raghavan is saying, ma'am, Menti is like an emotion for us. Yes, that's why we are having this test on your favorite platform, that's Menti. बिल्कुल ट्रिक बता देंगे सॉल्व करने की. As you say. चलो जल्दी से tell your friends about this because see, the important part is we are all here for this session so that we can motivate each other. We can have a very healthy competition and then of course goodies तो हैं ही हैं. That's I think the best part. By the way, बहुत interesting items है इस goodies में. So yes, try your best. How to fill the information, Kirti? We'll come to it. First of all, quickly log into www.menti.com and you use the code JOIN and take it as a learning activity. So we're going to have a learning activity. You know the course, you know the syllabus, chemical reactions and equations. फटाफट से अपने friends को बता दो कि कुछ बहुत ज़बरदस्त start हो रहा है so that they can also join in. Hey Manimala, I'll tell you the code 997818. I can see many of you have already joined in. Chalo, we'll just wait for others to join in. Meanwhile, a very important update. We've been telling you about the mini learning program, right? That was our gift to you. So this is going to end on 17th of July. That means it's going to end pretty soon. I know most of you have already availed this offer, but in case, even if there is a single child over here who's not used this offer, who's not grabbed this opportunity, go ahead, try this out. An introductory pack of 3 sessions will be for free. All you have to do is use this code YTFREE. And by doing that, you can unlock the premium features and a lot of advantages, starting from 2-teacher advantage to, one-on-one personal guidance by a personal mentor. I think personalized journey के लिए personal mentor तो बहुत ज़रूरी है, and here at BYJU'S we understand that. So yes, go ahead, avail this. And of course, the classes can be as per your convenience, timing, topics, everything according to your convenience. But the important part is that it's going to end on 17th of July. खत्म होने वाला है guys, opportunity जाने वाली है हाथ से, जल्दी से इसको avail कर लो. Hey Arvind, Sahil bhai, okay. Good evening. Nikhil, Sonia. All right. Right after this session, I hope जिसने avail नहीं किया, quickly go. Yeah, this is a great opportunity for all of you. A great learning experience. This will turn out to be a great learning experience. And free है यार. सबसे बड़ी बात is for free. So quickly go and yes, avail this opportunity. Now, really important. You all can see that now there's a form in front of you asking for certain details. Can you see that? Yes? Asking for the name, grade, phone number, pin code. You have to be logged in. Otherwise, it will not show. I hope all of you have already, you are on menti.com right now. जो YouTube से directly देख रहे हैं, उन्हें information नहीं दिखेगी. You have to go to www.menti.com as I told you earlier and use the code 997818. Get started and then they will be asking you for some details. Now, it is very important for all of you to write your correct name, correct spelling, correct phone number, because this is going to be your identity mark. Okay, so this is how we'll identify you. So don't do that, today you are logging in using your mother's phone number, tomorrow for some other test you log in using your father's phone number. This way we'll take it to be as 2 students are appearing for the test. जबकि आप एक ही हो. So, it is very important that you use the same phone number throughout all the sessions. Throughout the series, throughout the league, you have to use the same name and the same phone number. All questions are easy. Well, let's see. Let's wait and watch if all questions are easy or not. So, yes, this is very, very important. You take it to be like your roll number. Roll numbers are unique, right? Your phone numbers are also unique. Your name, right? You have to write your full name. Why we're asking for your full name is because, if say I'm Kriti, I'm sure there's somebody else also who's Kriti. This way we'll not be able to identify you. So your phone number plays a very important role here in telling us who you are. And then, of course, by the end of the series, we can easily recognize you. Yes, your pin code area. Yes, area pin code. Correct. Quickly, guys, fill in all the details. This way, definitely. हाँ, बिल्कुल, goodies कैसे भिजवाएंगे otherwise? Please note to use the same name and the same phone number throughout all the sessions. Now, this is super important information, guys. Today, you're giving a chemistry test. Tomorrow, you might be giving a maths test or a physics or a bio test. There also you have to use the same name and the same phone number. That is very, very important. See, the grade is not going to change, right? And of course, the pin code is also not going to change. Name, you might use a full name or a half name at some places. Keep it constant. Keep it uniform. जो रख रहे हो वही रखो. And of course, you come up with a lot of funky names over here. I know, Menti पे बहुत funky names आते हैं, but for this session, go for your real name. Done? Filled? Quickly give me loads of thumbs up so that we get started. I hope, by the way, I'm perfectly audible and visible. You've completed your science course. Okay, मेरी expectations ना raise होती जा रही हैं because this way I'm also feeling कि बहुत मजा आने वाला आज. I can see the dabs. I can see thumbs up, victory signs. Hey Shivam. All right, I hope all of you are all pepped up, charged up. Javeer, okay, we are waiting for Javeer. Javeer, quickly join in. Just go to www.menti.com, use the code 997818, fill your details quickly, your name, grade, your phone number, pin code. Keep your name and phone number constant throughout all the sessions. Good evening, Sonia, Suzanne, Jasmita. फटाफट से यार call your friends also. I think the more the better. जितने ज़्यादा बच्चे होंगे ना उतना मज़ा आएगा आज इस सेशन में. टेस्ट हो रहा है यार. जल्दी से. I'm in 9th grade. Yes, definitely you can try this out. All right. I can see the thumbs up. I can see all of you have filled in the details and we can get started. So, let me tell you what's going to happen. We have a question bank of 15 questions for all of you. One by one, I'll be shooting questions. You have to mark the correct answer quickly and correctly. Now, I will be showing you leaderboard, don't worry about that. But by the end of the session, we will also be noticing who performed, the overall performance, who performed really well. For chemistry, then for the rest of the subjects. And by the end of 3 weeks, you will get amazing goodies. So yes, you have to keep maintaining the hard work, not just for today, but for the next entire 3 weeks. Yes, Shivam, definitely we'll do that also. Alright, I wish you all the very best. Let's start. Let's see what's question number 1. And I am super excited to see the leaderboard this time. Okay, question number 1. All the best, all of you. The question is right in front of you. Be very careful, okay? Which of the following does not involve a chemical change? Please note it says does not involve. Evaporation of petrol, burning of LPG, curdling of milk, or burning of kerosene in lantern. So you have 4 options and you have good amount of time. ये ना ऐसा टेस्ट है जहाँ पे आपको accuracy को actually speed से थोड़ा ऊपर रखना पड़ेगा. You will have to be more accurate. That is something that is more important. And let's do one thing. Let's not post the answers here in the chat box. Let everybody try it. Genuine attempt करते हैं यार. बिल्कुल genuinely चलेंगे आगे. You can give me a thumbs up once you're done. You can let me know about the time that you've taken to complete the answer. Yes, Raghavan, saying that only. All right, let's see. Hey, 82 of you got the answer right. Not bad, not bad. Well done. Yes, option A was evaporation. That is absolutely right. It does not involve. See, 2 options में तो burning ही था. So of course, वहाँ तो chemical reaction हो रहा है. Curdling of milk, milk is changing to curd, again a chemical reaction. But when we talk about evaporation of petrol, what is happening? Only the state is changing from liquid to the gaseous state. Right, vapors are being formed. So obviously in this case, there is no change in the substance. So it does not involve any new substance that is being formed. So yes, that was the correct answer. No chemical reaction is taking place. Good. You can let me know if you've got this one right, by the way. Hey Shiv, you're not able to log in. बच्चा जल्दी से www.menti.com पे जाओ. Go there and use the code 997818. You have to fill in the details and then definitely you'll arrive at the stage where we are right now. Hey Somi, you can't be late today. It's a test going on. Every question is important to decide your score. Alright, question 2 on your screens. Now, let's see what's question number 2. I want 70 of you to at least get this one right. Which of the following represents the correct balanced chemical equation for the given reaction? You've got zinc that's reacting with silver nitrate to give you zinc nitrate plus silver. मजेदार क्वेश्चन है. I think this question already has the answer hidden in it. आपको equation भी given है. All you have to check is the number of atoms of every element. Hey Pinky Devi, too soon for leaderboard. यार दिखाएंगे बिल्कुल दिखाएंगे. But right now try this out. You can give me a thumbs up once you're done. Let's not post answers. Let everybody have a fair attempt. तुक्का मारा Innovative 26 ने. क्यों भाई तुक्का क्यों? You just have to check balancing in this question. Last 3 seconds left. Let's see. 86 of you got this right. Well done. मतलब मजा आ रहा है. मुझे समझ आ रहा है that your preparation is on point. You people are really well prepared for this. Great. Well done. And I am super proud. But hey, वो confidence हाँ. बहुत interesting questions आएंगे. You have to be really cautious, okay? So yes, as you can see, we have one zinc atom on the reactant and the product side. We've got 2 silver atoms, 2 nitrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms on both the sides. So the number of atoms of every element, of each element, is the same on the reactant as well as on the product side. So yes, this is a balanced chemical equation and yes, it follows the law of conservation of mass. Yup, tukka gone right. कब तक तुक्के सही होंगे? You have to apply concept also. Good, Rohan. Good to know that. Yes, definitely. You can try with the hidden trial method. You also remember that we have another video that we've uploaded for the shortcut. So you can, use that shortcut video as well. If you've not seen it, you can definitely check that out. It's on the channel. Shortcut to Balanced Chemical Equations. You got it correct. बहुत कम time में बढ़िया. Yes, ABCD method. All right, good. Moving on to question number 3 with the same level of energy. Let's try to answer this one. But hey, this time read the questions carefully, okay? Which of the following reactions is going to be exothermic in nature? 4 options given hai. Exothermic kaun sa hai? Aapko ye batana hai. Burning of natural gas, is this exothermic or not? Photosynthesis, is this exothermic or not? Electrolysis of water, decomposition of calcium carbonate. बहुत interesting options, I would say, are being given to you. You have to figure out exothermic. Exo. I am almost about to give you the hint, though I'm trying not to give you. I want all of you to fairly try this one. But yes, you've got good 10 seconds left. Come on, guys, quickly. Jaldi se. This question I want 75 plus students to get this one right. Just a random number I'm saying. Hey, I need to just level up the number as well. 94 of you got this one right. I can definitely take a sigh of relief. I mean, look at your performance, look at your preparation. मुझे एकदम से I'm feeling more energetic looking at your scores, looking at how many of you are getting the answers right. So yes, option A, burning of natural gas. That is exothermic in nature. So burning हो रही है यार, क्या हो रहा है? Burning of natural gas में, you can see in the equation that methane, it's burning in the presence of oxygen to give you carbon dioxide, H2O, and a lot of heat is being given out. So exothermic basically means that heat is exiting. Exit हो रहा है, release हो रहा है, and yes, you have guessed the equation right. It's producing a lot of heat. Oh, you got that wrong. Exo means yes, out, exiting. Heat is being released. You got it right. Great. See, photosynthesis we all know, it's endothermic, right? And C and D options क्या आते? Decomposition reaction के. Yes? एक में electrolysis था, एक में thermal था, so energy in any form, maybe, in the form of heat, light, electricity, किसी भी form में it's needed, right? Good. All right, I can see a lot of you say, ma'am, फटाफट से अगला question दिखा दो. So, आपकी बात मानते हैं. And there you go. Question number 4 on your screens. Now, let's see. Which of the following options correctly represents a double displacement reaction? Double displacement, guys. Double displacement. Okay. A plus B giving you AB. AB breaking into A plus B. A plus BC giving you AC plus B. AB plus CD giving you AD plus CB. Okay. You have to figure out double displacement reaction. Like every option that is being given to you is a different type of reaction, by the way. यार ये जल्दी से आइडेंटिफाई कर लो. आई मीन ये वाला तो यू शुड आंसर बिल्कुल ऐसे फटाफट लाइटनिंग स्पीड से. अभी तक का सबसे मासूम क्वेश्चन है ये. तो इस क्वेश्चन में ना इट्स मोर देन योर नॉलेज, इट्स योर स्पीड दैट्स गोइंग टू डिसाइड हाउ वेल यू परफॉर्म्ड. Everyone has voted before time, like 2 seconds before time. Hey, we've crossed 100. So well done. I want all of you to post that clapping wala emoji jaldi se, because you people crossed 100. 113 students got this answer right, and some of you answered like in 1 second. Question galat पढ़ लिया. कोई बात नहीं. We have loads of questions. But well done. Good going, all of you. Just like you, I'm also super excited to see the leaderboard. And अभी तो बस start करा है. This is the first session. We have loads and loads of sessions to come. And yes, correct answer was option D, double displacement. क्या होता है double displacement में? Exchange of ions are taking place. So AB and CD, they are exchanging their ions to form AD plus CB. Good, I can see innovative 26. Madhusmita, Samruddhi, Shivi, Anupama, Ash, Raghavan. Well done. Hey Himani from grade 9, you got this one right. बहुत ही बढ़िया यार. मजा आ रहा है कि ग्रेड 10 के बच्चे तो सही दे ही रहे हैं. एंड वीव गॉट किड्स फ्रॉम अदर क्लासेस एज वेल, अदर ग्रेड्स एज वेल, हु आर गिविंग एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट आंसर. गुड. लेट्स मूव ऑन. Let's continue. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5 on your screens. Now, let's see what the question is. Which of the following processes represents the removal of oxygen? So I'm kind of making it easy for you to understand. Catchphrase पे थोड़ा focus करते हुए. Removal of oxygen from a substance in the context of redox reactions. Is it oxidation, dehydration, reduction, dehydrogenation? What is the correct answer? Think about this one. They're saying removal of oxygen. यार ये at least 100 of you should get this one right. फटाफट से क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर बताओ. Last 10 seconds left. We have good number of students with us. So it's going to be amazing to see. 141 students, 142, 143, okay, it's just increasing. 120 of you got the answer right. Yes, it is reduction. Correct, yes. Lot of people are typing the answers. Hey, answers, let's not type the answers. Let's give thumbs up in the chat box. Misclick. No, don't do misclick in such questions, yeah. Oxidation with, of course, oxygen is being added or hydrogen is being removed. So that option was ruled out, yes. Correct. Dehydration, loss of water, ruled out. Dehydrogenation, hydrogen is being removed from the organic molecule, removed out. Good. All right. Let's move on and see. Over here, reduction, as I was telling you, removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. That is reduction. You can clearly see. You've got copper oxide reacting with hydrogen to form copper and H2O. तो copper oxide से copper बन रहा है. Oxygen remove हो रही है. That means it's undergoing reduction. All right, let's move on to question number 6. फटाफट से question number 6 का भी आंसर देते हैं. Let's see. अब मेरी ना expectations increase हो गई हैं आप लोगों से. Identify the chemical name of the white precipitate that is being formed when sulfuric acid reacts with barium chloride solution. Hey, you'll have to think this one. You might need a pen and paper. Is it hydrochloric acid, barium sulfate, chlorine gas, and sulfur? But if you'll read the question carefully, you'll actually understand a hint is hidden in the question itself. Identify the chemical name of the white precipitate formed when sulfuric acid reacts with barium chloride. Let's see. Let's see how many of you are going to get this one right. We have a lot of time. A lot of time. By a lot, I mean just 5 seconds. So 5 seconds है, जल्दी से फटाफट से आंसर दो. The correct answer is option B, and 132 of you got the answer right. So well done. Yes, option B is the correct answer. That is barium sulfate, white precipitate. एक बार खुद सोचो बाकी options में कोई precipitate था. Even if you didn't know the color or whatever, you could still figure that out. Precipitate means is the insoluble residue that is being formed. So let's look at the equation. Barium chloride and H2SO4, sulfuric acid. So barium sulfate, that's the white PPT which is being depicted by a downward arrow. And of course HCl is being formed. So yes, there you go. That was, you breaking the record, yes. मतलब अगले क्वेश्चन में I'm expecting higher number. 132 था इसका. 132 of you got this one right. बढ़िया चल रहा है. I can see your preparation is just too good. And on this positive note, let's attack the next question, which is question number 7. Which type of chemical reaction takes place when electricity is passed through water? Okay, the substance is water, we're passing electricity through it. What kind of reaction is going to take place? It's going to be displacement, combination, decomposition, or double displacement. Which type of reaction is taking place? Just think about what will happen to water. H2O को क्या हो जाएगा? Think about this. I can see a lot of you have already posted thumbs up in the chat box, which means you've got the answer right. Acha, if you've understood, give me a very specific answer then. I can see that you've already figured out the answer. Specific बताना जरा. Time's going to be up. Alright, 116, not bad. 100 plus तो मतलब bare minimum चल रहा है that you people are answering. Cool, yes, it was option C, decomposition. And to be specific, yes, you people are right. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. Correct, yes, electrolysis. Yes, you people are right. Deva says experiment shots. Yes, we have an amazing experiment shots video on electrolysis that you can actually perform at your home as well. Go check that out as well. Great. Hey, by the way, why is sulfuric acid added to this process? Why do you think? Quickly. During electrolysis of water. Jaldi se, fatafat se answer de do. We've got loads to cover. To increase conductivity. Great. Badhiya. So yes, H2O will get decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen gets collected at cathode, oxygen at anode. And the ratio of hydrogen to oxygen is going to be 2:1. So yes, electrolysis of water was the correct answer. Electrolytic decomposition. And with this, let's see who's leading our leaderboard. Yeah, correct. So we've got Somesh Chemstar. Hey, interesting name, Somesh. Somesh Chemstar is definitely a Chemstar for sure. Arushi, Rahul, Charvi, Vishal, Jaya, Bharti, Kamini, Abhirupa, Aviral. Great. Now, if you're there, don't get overconfident. You've performed really well, but we've got a lot of questions left. And if you're not there, guys, this is just the first session that is taking place. आपके जो इसमें मार्क्स हैं एंड जो आगे मार्क्स हैं collectively they are going to actually decide your overall performance. So with the same energy, with the same positivity and hard work, let's move on to solve question number 8 together. Let's have healthy competition. कोई बुरा नहीं माना leaderboard का, okay? Identify the oxidizing agent in the following reaction given below. We've got H2S reacting with iodine, giving us Hi and S. Okay. 4 options हैं. Iodine, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen iodide, sulfur. Oxidizing agent. Which is the oxidizing agent? Which is the substance that is getting reduced? Which is the oxidizing agent? That's what you have to figure out. You've got 4 options with you. फटाफट से बता दो कि इस मासूम से क्वेश्चन का इजी सा आंसर क्या है. Great, yaar. That's so good. Time's up. What? नहीं. 57 of you marked option B. क्यों यार option B क्यों mark किया? Okay, not a problem. If we are stuck at one question, this is the best opportunity we have to actually understand the concept behind it. What's the approach that we need for such questions? So, let's look at this equation again. H2S, hydrogen sulfide reacting with iodine. Now, clearly you can see that iodine is the substance that is getting reduced. It's gaining hydrogen. If it's getting reduced, it's going to oxidize others. If it's oxidizing others, it's the agent that's oxidizing others. So, it's the oxidizing agent. I told you a trick to remember. First of all, you just have to look just the reactants. Forget the products. So answer H2S or I2 में से ही होगा. You just have to look at the reactants. From there, whatever is the substance that's getting reduced will be the oxidizing agent. Substance that is getting oxidizing will be the reducing agent. Simple. Good. If you've understood the concept, quick thumbs up. And then we move on to the next question. That is question number 9. Ma'am, please do Menti tomorrow also. Yes, Menti is going to happen every day. The chapters would keep changing. The subjects would keep changing. But the practice sessions will keep going on. And all right, I hope you're fine. And we have question number 9. Let's see. Okay, bad rhyme. Jaldi se iska answer bata do sahi se. A reaction is being given to you. You have to tell me the type of reaction that's taking place. Is it combination reaction, double displacement, displacement or decomposition? What's the type of reaction that is taking place? वैसे तो बहुत simple सा question है. You can see lead reacting with copper chloride. So what exactly is happening over here? अच्छा, 0.8 second में answer कर दिया. मतलब type of reaction में तो हमने mastery कर ही लिया. We know it all. Yes, is that the case? Let's see. Last 5 seconds and you can mark the correct answer. Speed से ज़्यादा accuracy पे ध्यान देना है, ठीक है? Good, finally we are back. So more than 100 kids, 113 kids. But I remember there was some other question also where the same number was there. 113 of you got the answer right. Yes, which was option C, displacement. Correct. You remember the reactivity series, right? What happens in a displacement reaction? More reactive element replaces the less reactive element, right? Of course, from its compound. So you can see A plus BC, A being more reactive will form AC and B को side कर दिया. Similarly, you can see that lead is more reactive than copper. So copper को displace कर दिया and lead chloride is being formed. Thank you, Bharti. Let's move on to question number 10. Some questions are left, guys. Buck up. The leaderboard might change. Which of the following processes does not involve absorption of energy? Two very important things. Does not involve absorption. Is it evaporation? Evaporating liquid water. Photosynthesis, cooking of egg, decomposition of vegetable matter. You might get this one wrong. But if you remember the little exceptions that we've discussed here and there, you will get this one right. Basically, आपको figure out करना है exothermic reaction कौन सा है. Does not involve absorption of energy. Let's think. I can see a mix of answers right now. This might be a little confusing, but it's okay. We'll discuss the solution. You will understand it properly. Fine. Okay, time's up. I knew this was kind of, a bit tricky. A or D mein maximum confusion has been there, though most of you could manage to get the answer right. That was option D. Correct, yes. Very easy, you got this one, okay. Decomposition of vegetable matter. Decomposition of vegetable matter in compost is done by microbes. Now for this, breaking of chemical bonds is taking place. So yes, initially what is happening, energy is required. Like all other reactions, energy is required here also. But more energy is released. So overall energy change becomes exothermic. So yes, we have discussed this question and this might come in your exam as well. So do remember this one. Whatever important questions we see that are bound to come in the exam are being placed in this Menti. So pay a lot of attention, okay? And hey Shri Ganesh from Kriti 9 getting all the answers right. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो, question number 11 का भी सही से answer दे दो फिर. Identify the reaction which is being used in black and white photography. Black and white photography, shades of grey are being used. कौन सा reaction है? You have to identify the reaction. 4 options are being given to you. 4 reactions, I would say. So first 3 you can see decomposition चल रहा है. And the last one that you can see displacement है. Okay, 2 thermal decomposition है, एक photolytic decomposition है, एक displacement है. I'm just trying to confuse you. The type of reaction is just another information I'm passing on to you. You have to figure out the answer all by yourself. 5 seconds. Come on, quickly. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Let's see. Hey, कोई कंफ्यूज नहीं हुआ. सबने सही आंसर मार्क कर दिया. ऑप्शन ए. Yes, correct. Silver bromide. Absolutely right. So it's being, when it's exposed to light, it decomposes. It forms the metal, that silver metal and bromine vapors. Correct. And this, of course, is being used in black and white photography. Sheetal, good to know that. A lot of you from grade 9 still getting all the answers right. Well, how amazing are you people? Okay. Question number 12 on your screens now. So, the question says, wait, I'll do it again. Question number 12. Yeah, okay. Magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame and changes into a powder. Identify the color of the powder and the product form. So, two things you have to identify. Don't get confused. Okay. Two very important things you have to identify here. First is the color of the powder that's going to be formed. And second is the name. What's the product? क्या बन रहा है यार? Burning of magnesium ribbon with white dazzling flame. What is happening? Two things you have to figure out in this question. So don't stop at the first one, okay? Look at the option completely. I think I've somehow given you the hint. But I'm expecting कि यार ये तो 100 plus सही होना ही चाहिए. I hope I'm right. I hope I'm right. Oh, very close. Very close. 91 of you got it right, which is also a very good number. Well done. But for the rest of you who did not get this one right, see, magnesium burning in the presence of oxygen to give you magnesium oxide. So MgO is being formed, right? And magnesium ribbon, of course, when it's burning, white dazzling flame is there and the white product is being formed, that is of magnesium oxide. By the way, can you tell me the type of reaction? जल्दी से, फटाफट से. Experiment shots, yes. बहुत प्यारा experiment shot इसका एक हमने video upload करा हुआ है. Quickly go watch that also, right after this session. You got confused, it's okay. Combination, yes, Anup, right. Yes, you can call it combination. Exothermic भी है, by the way. Question number 13. कितने रह गए? 3 questions. कुछ भी हो सकता है इन 3 questions में. All right. No silly mistake. And now attempt this question. Corrosion of iron metal, that means you're talking about rusting, okay, is an example of which of the following reactions? If you think you've mastered the type, you'll be able to answer this one. Oxidation as well as displacement, reduction and combination, oxidation and combination, reduction and displacement. मतलब rusting of iron में 2 types of reactions are taking place. You have to identify both. No misclick. I can see some of you posting emojis की फटाफट जल्दी से करने के चक्कर में गलत कर दिया. नहीं करना. This is what you don't have to do. Last 10 seconds. Just think the conditions under which, in the presence of something rusting takes place, so you'll be able to identify the type as well. I was thinking that you might get confused in this one, but still most of you managed to guess this right. Let's look at this equation. So, iron in the presence of oxygen and moisture, it's forming rust. Clearly you can see we've got multiple reactants and one product. कैसा reaction हुआ? Combination हुआ. Oxygen का addition हुआ. कैसे reaction हुआ? Oxidation हुआ. So the correct answer was oxidation and combination. Even if you got this wrong, that is absolutely okay. No need to panic. No need to feel bad. You've learned something at this point of time, and that is the entire purpose of having this Menti quiz, this unit test league with all of you. These practice sessions are meant to improve and enhance your learning. Confuse हो गए, हाँ, confuse करने के लिए we are giving you questions so that exam में confuse ना हो. जितना confuse होना है यहाँ होना है, exam में नहीं होना है. It's okay, it's okay. Last 2 questions. Come on, guys. Last 2. I am now setting it to be 100. Yeah, minimum 100 students have to get this right. ठीक है? Promise? Question number 14, 100 kids. Question number 15, 100 kids. Fixed at 100. चलो, Yes, ma'am, लिख के promise कर दिया. Now you have to maintain that promise as well. Which of the following terms is used to indicate the development of unpleasant smell and taste in fatty and oily foods? Acidity, radioactivity, toxicity or rancidity? किस term से हम relate कर रहे हैं when we talk about unpleasant smell or unpleasant, very weird taste coming? Of course, for the foods that contain fats and oil. I think you will be fulfilling your promise and getting this intuition कि यार ये वाला पक्का आप लोग सही दोगे. I'm already smiling. I'm already taking a sigh of relief. Yeah? Okay. Let's see. Last 5 seconds. And ta-da! Let's see. Hey, I can actually take a sigh of relief. Great! 113 students got this right. I think 113 बहुत सारे questions में हमने note किया. 113 students were getting it right. Awesome! Yes, the correct term is rancidity. Good! Awesome! Hey Shraddha, oxidation is there, right? So, rancidity is nothing but the aerial oxidation of food containing fats and oils. So yes, you still need to be prepared about this. Great, yes, it becomes unfit for consumption. So, some weird smell comes, some weird taste is there. Pinky wants to see the last question. Hey Lakshmi. Hey Hari, go check out our syllabus update videos. You'll actually understand why this question is there. Okay, let's move on and let's attack the last question of today's test together. What is question number 15? I hope you all are ready. And the question is right in front of you now. The question says a white lead salt when heated produces a yellow residue and brown fumes. You have to name the lead salt. Lead nitrate, lead sulfate, lead carbonate, lead dioxide. Now you might find more than one option that's white in color. So you have to read the question carefully. When this substance is heated, it's producing a yellow residue also and brown fumes. Yellow residue, brown fumes. पढ़ते ही एकदम आंसर आ जाना चाहिए. I can see your smiley faces. You remember the promise, right? 100 plus kids are supposed to get this one right too. I'm waiting for you to get it right. Okay, it's going to be up soon. Let's see. No, 98. कौन से दो बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने धोखा दे दिया? 98 of you got it right. Okay, this is okay. Let me admit this is a very good number. I know it was a bit confusing. It's okay. That's okay. Yes. Okay, let's look at this equation to understand it better. So you have lead nitrate that's white in color, right? When you heat it, thermal decomposition is taking place. A yellow precipitate of lead oxide is being formed. Brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide that is also being formed, and we all know oxygen is colorless. So these are the products that are being formed. अच्छा, 2 students ने C पर click कर दिया. So I think I should not show you the leaderboard now. You've broken the promise. Yes, oxygen is colorless. Yes, nitrogen dioxide, brown fumes. अच्छा चलो, I'll show you the leaderboard, but yes, nonetheless, all of you have done really well. And you have to keep maintaining this vigor, this energy, this hard work throughout the unit test league. And yes, definitely, I'm showing you the leaderboard. Don't worry. Dimple! क्या बात है Dimple? Well done. Jantika, Jaya, Hasna, Goldie, Amulu, Manu, Sumesh, Bishal, Charvi. Awesome guys, well done. You people have done amazingly well, and even if you're not there on the leaderboard guys, still you people have performed really well. I'm telling you this because it's just the first session happening over here. We've got loads of sessions lined up for you people, loads of practice sessions, and last में cumulative score निकालेंगे. So you might just turn the tables round in the coming session. So yes, prepare करते रहो, फटाफट से पहले वीडियो लाइक कर दो. If you've enjoyed the session, if you've enjoyed giving a test like this, quickly like this video because this was on your favorite platform, Menti. Yes, फटाफट से like this video. And yes, we've got you covered. We'll keep coming up with amazing sessions for all of you. बहुत सारे practice sessions बाकी हैं जिसका update आपको कैसे मिलेगा? Who will just quickly notify you 30 minutes before? Well, you will get everything on Telegram. So all the session updates, PDFs, everything is going there. You can, share your expressions with us. You can know what's new is cooking, what old is there, everything. So quickly join Telegram, connect with us there as well. Yes, kal bhi hoga, correct. And hey, for the ones who've joined us late, this is a very important update that the mini learning program that is currently for 0 rupees, it's for absolutely free, is going to end on 17th of July. So quickly avail this offer by using the code YTFREE and you can unlock 3 sessions. So introductory pack of 3 sessions for absolutely free. So go learn in the most innovative manner and you can get access to all the premium features. So 2-teacher model is there, doubt clearing, personal guidance and mentoring is there. You can, have your class schedule as per your convenience, the topic of your choice, सब कुछ, हर चीज की freedom आपके पास होगी. So फटाफट से ये offer avail कर लो because it's ending on 17th of July. Alright, so yes, before we close, I hope you've already liked the video, you've subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon as well. Great! Good to know that. Thank you so much for being there. So keep working hard, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.